Farmers, Mbula Vinaka to you all. Thank you for waiting. First of all, I want to thank and congratulate the farmers who have now entered into rice farming. We are promoting rice farming throughout Fiji, whether they are dalo farmers, sugarcane farmers, vegetable farmers. They can continue doing their, promoting and expanding the crop that they are engaged in, whether it's root crop, dalo, sugarcane, vegetables. But what we are saying is that we also want these farmers to allocate a small piece of land for rice farming for several reasons. First of all, every household is consuming rice. We are now importing close to $44 million of rice. Now, if all the dalo farmers, all the vegetable farmers, all the cane farmers start planting 1 acre, allocating 1 acre for rice, we will be able to reduce the rice imports to pretty much zero. All sugarcane farmers, all vegetable farmers, all root crop farmers, then we will be reducing the importation of rice to zero. That's 24,000 acres we need for 2 crops. We will be able to reduce the importation totally. So we are very impressed with response that we have got so far. Lautoka Valley, as you know, all of you know, is a traditional vegetable growing areas. Farmers have started to plant rice for their own consumption. We're not asking them to grow rice commercially. Of course, we are promoting commercial rice farming. The production of rice in Banmalevu, commercial rice farmers, have gone up 10 times this year. That's a great achievement. Now, for other areas where we got sugarcane farmers, dalo vegetable, we are saying at least you grow for your own consumption, so that we can, one, reduce this importation and save the money going outside Fiji. Number two, we have control over our food requirement. During COVID, we were very worried. But what if our major suppliers are Vietnam, Thailand? What if they put a ban on export of rice because during COVID, if extended, then farmers will not be able to go to farm? Then where will we get the rice from? So we want to have control over our staple food, dalung, cassava, rice, flour. We are working on flour, looking at substitutes, cassava flour, breadfruit flour, dalo flour, and we will be, in 2 weeks' time, making some announcements and launching of some flour products. Right? So we're very pleased to see the response from farmers, and we are here today to thank you. And we are saying to all these areas which are moving into rice production, whether commercial or for home consumption, we will come and give you a portable rice mill. Because if you're growing rice for your commercial, then all those rice will be purchased by Fiji Rice Limited. We now are establishing a rice mill in Neilangamba. So your rice won't go to Lambasa, Riketi. But for farmers like you who are growing for your own consumption, where will you go and mill your rice? That is why we now provided a portable rice mill. You don't have to go long distance. The other settlement, we give them another rice mill. The other settlement, we don't want people from this settlement to go to the other settlement. We don't want you to spend money on transportation. You mill your rice in your own settlement. So we will give each settlement growing rice a portable rice mill. We don't want you to charge commercial rates of milling. Wherever the mill is based, 70 cents. 40 cents for the house owner, 30 cents per tin for repair and maintenance. So that tin, you know, the standard tin that's currently being used. So you need to look after the machine. It's a machine. It'll have mechanical problems, so you need to have some money to repair. Okay? So we're very pleased that you have shown interest in growing rice. The rice that we are promoting, the variety, is a short term, 3 to 4 months, 90 days to 120 days. Star, Ball Grain, Dangimevu, Sitara, Deepak, New. Short term varieties. So in 3 to 4 months' time, you will have your rice to be harvested. Yeah? So thank you very much and congratulations. I look forward to handing over the rice mill.
1, 2, 3.